3.
Now I'm gonna spray the tray with some oil just to get it ready
Okay.
for the breadcrumbs.
Beautiful. And we've already toasted our breadcrumbs, so
Yes, we're gonna use half of it.
beautiful.
Yes.
And what are we going to do with the other half?
Use it on top.
Oh wow, beautiful. That's going to be our base for the knefe.
Yes, this is the base.
Okay, now we've done that. Now let's go to making the pudding, the actual knefe.
Okay,
All
so
right. We're going to be needing some semolina. The fine one will be fine. Mozzarella cheese.
we're making double the bag, so we have 2 bags mozzarella cheese.
And we need some thickened cream. Some milk, full cream milk naturally. And we're going to be flavouring it with, there's orange blossom water and there's rose water. And we have some Arabic gum mastic.
Some people call it whiskey.
Oh, and we're going to have to crush it though, okay?
Yes, that's why we have this
rolling
pin. So I'm just gonna lightly crush it. We're gonna use them all.
Okay, that's a good idea. It's going to make our knefe super delicious and quite
So
unique.
what's it used for?
In sweets, basically.
Oh, yeah.
The Arabic world loves it, and so do the Greek partners. These. Okay, so let's get our pudding on the stove.
Yep.
We're going to need
We're
about
gonna put this biscuit in
later on when the pudding is cooking. So let's just start off with the semolina. We're going to need about 1.5 cups semolina.
1.5 cups.
Yep.
It's 1
1 cup.
and a half.
We need 8 cups milk.
Oh, okay.
It's 1.
1, 2, 3. Today's actually Father's Day, so we're gonna make this for Father's Day. 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one.
8.
8.
And we need, if you have cream, but if you don't have cream, we can do it without.
Yeah.
But we've got cream. So we need like 2 cups of cream.
2 cups. On the way.
Okay, we've got a little bit extra there, so most of that.
I'll measure it.
You don't have to measure.
No? How much do you want me to use of it?
Just roughly, most of it.
Okay.
Make sure it's fresh.
Yeah.
Thank you, I think that'll do.
Yep.
Now we're going to mix it. Always mix on cold, okay? So before you put the heat on,
Okay.
especially if you're doing flour or corn flour,
Yeah.
this makes it easy to combine and mix well
That's very
without
interesting.
causing lumps.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to flavour it with the orange blossom water.
Just a little splash.
Splash. And rose water as well.
Oh, both
And if you don't have both, that's fine. You can do one.
Oh, it smells so good. You want to close up?
You can find these at many Middle Eastern
Supermarkets.
supermarkets, delicatessens, or grocery shops. Now we need as well, but it's not a must. We need some sugar.
2 cups?
Well, about 2 cups of sugar. Okay. Now we're going to put them on medium heat.
For how long?
Well, and as it's cooking, we got to stir to.
Oh, okay. I get it, yeah.
So we'll find out as it's cooking and we're stirring, it'll thicken up to make the nice pudding, which is knefe. All right. So we're going to put the stove on now on medium heat, please. Okay. Now it's going to take a few minutes to warm up. Okay. For the first couple of minutes you don't have to really stir because it's still nice and cold. So you can rest it while we get the gum ready and the cheese ready. Okay, I think that's powdered enough.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can put that in with the pudding.
Okay. Our family really love mastic, but start off with just half for your first go.
Okay, and as I said before, every now and then stir it, especially as it warms up.
Yeah, you don't want
Okay.
any bumps.
No. Okay. So
When
wait
do we put in the mozzarella cheese?
towards the end.
Alright. So now we're just...
Keep an eye on it. Okay guys, it's coming together really good. As you can see, it's thickening up. And it's really imperative that the stirring continues, otherwise the bottom will touch and burn. You're going to see bubbles soon coming up.
You can see it in that corner.
Yeah, the beginning.
Yeah.
So once bubbles start, it won't be long.
Until what?
Until it's ready.
Ah.
Yeah, and then last step, almost.
Yeah.
We're going to add some cheese, okay? It's up to you how much you add. And some people don't like to add it in here. But you know what they do?
What?
They add it into the baking dish in one go.
Ah.
Yeah. What the idea is, you put half of the pudding, sprinkle the cheese, then top it up with more pudding and more breadcrumbs. And lastly, put it in the oven just to give it a nice golden look.
How nice.
Yeah. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put half of the cheese now.
Ah.
Here comes the mozzarella cheese. It's all shredded. I'll give it a few turns basically. And I'm not going to wait for it to fully melt. That can continue in the oven. Wow, it's looking good. I'm going to put
It looks
most
so
of it.
good.
It is, and it smells delicious.
Yeah, why don't we just put it in here?
Alright. I'm going to put most of it, not all of it. Wow, that's plenty.
Wow, yeah.
That is really good. That's going to give it that pull. Because nowadays, pull is in, isn't it? Pulled meats, pulled coconut macaroons, pulled, you name it. It's a pull. Okay, this is going on.
Show us your coconut.
Well, later on I'll show you the coconut. Right now I'm a bit busy. This is ready. It's not fully melted, but that's fine. All in one go. I'm going to make a little bit... Oh, see a string? That's mozzarella for you. Put all of it in here. A nice thick slab. Now you want to be quick with this one because it sets
Quite fast.
quite fast.
Quite promptly. I hope you.
This is a good saucepan. It's got nice silicone handles to protect my fingers from the burn. Okay, so very quickly. There you have it. Okay, so as I said before, it settles real quick. So after now, there's no more playing with it.
No.
You just sprinkle more of your breadcrumbs. Some people like cornflake crumbs. That's fine, but not my family. You just like just normal breadcrumbs. And we've fried it. You can put as much as little as you like.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
I can
My
smell the
kitchen-
rose water.
The rose water and the
Orange blossom, I think.
all of orange blossom water. And you're going to taste not just the stringy mozzarella, but you're going to taste that Arabic gum, the mastica.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh,
So
that's
is that used to like bind that together?
It's more than binding together. It's to bring a flavour to another level. That's what I would say. Okay, now it's going to go in the oven for as long or as little as you like. Because it's all cooked now. And this can be served hot or cold. But hot is nice. Alright guys, this is our second tray of knefe for the day. It's nice and warm the way it should be. But I can serve it cold if you like.
Yeah.
Nice and warm is beautiful.
Oh, it's delicious.
It really is. We're going to send some to our family, the ones who can't be with us today. And being in where they are, they're not allowed to have nuts, so we won't be putting any pistachio nuts on top.
Yeah.
Now where's my... Okay, this is really nice.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious. I can't put too much in here. You know why?
Why?
I'm going to put in something else with it as well.
Oh, yeah.
This is delicious. Come here, guys. Come have a look. This is our coconut pool.
So
really
you
lovely.
pull it. Oh,
And it's
yum.
delicious.
It's so succulent.
It is, alright. I can
Put in some of these too.
It's too much for one day, I think.
Oh, okay.
And there's more. Yummy.
Oh, yum.
This is banana bread.
With a glaze on top.
Oh. This is so delicious. Can't stop having it with tea.
Yeah.
Oh, even dunking it in a cup of warm milk. Oh, yum. Alright, guys, we're going to be on the road. This is going out. And so will we.
Let's go.
Syrup to go.
Does he like syrup?
Okay, here we go. And bon appetit to my brother. Enough, Mum.